Artofspeedd. What up, good people? Today we're unboxing the CarpodGo T3. Huge shout out to CarpodGo for allowing me to review this product. All right, cool. First things first, you got a car mount right here. So that's for your window. This is your Bluetooth receiver. So if you didn't have a Bluetooth in your car, you can basically use this aux to Bluetooth receiver. That's pretty cool. And it comes with a backup camera with screws and double-sided sticker adhesive. The moment that we all been waiting for, to unbox this 60 frame per second CarPlay. It's nice. It's in a nice box. The packaging is nice. I like it. We're gonna take it off. This is a 9-inch touchscreen display, but we still gotta go. We still got stuff in the box that we need to unbox. So you have your Type-C outlet with your 12-volt outlet with your USB outlet. Put that right there. So this looked like it'll be like something to stick on the dashboard of your vehicle. This is a USB to a Type-C. That's pretty cool to have. Then they give you another one they can stick on the dash. This is the dash for the window mount. Go there like that. You have some more double-sided 3M adhesive. So power, aux, USB, and mic. So we're gonna plug it in, give it some power. Oh, that is nice. I ain't gonna say no lie. That is nice. The startup time on that thing was instantaneously here. I ain't gonna say in front. CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, brightness, settings. So your settings is pretty simple, you know what I'm saying? You got your setting, Bluetooth, display, volume, audio output, and bout. So, you know, I'm on English. Then you have your Bluetooth name, and you clear your list. You have your time and date. It's gonna give you some promptness on your phone. Basically, Android Auto, so you got your maps. On mine's, you have your map, SoundCloud, phone, mic. What time is it?
4:17 p.m.
So yeah, you have your built-in speaker right here where it got media, navigation, phone, dual Bluetooth, AM, aux speaker. You tap speaker right there. So voila. You can use the speaker and the device to listen to music. So yeah, that's a pretty cool feature. If you don't have, or if you don't want to use the speaker in your car, you can use the device for a speaker, or you can use your actual speakers in your vehicle. One other cool feature that we have on this is you go into settings, you go to display, and you got logo. All the manufactured logos preloaded into this device. This is 60 frames per second, so it's pretty smooth. I'm not gonna say no lie. All right, cool. So we'll go back. All right, well, I like the car just got cut off. Unplug it. Boom, got Hyundai. It ties in very nicely with your car, and Android Auto is actually connecting. Please hold. About a 14-second startup, and voila, you got Android Auto. It should automatically go. And then boom. All right, cool. So the audio quality is still good. But if you're enjoying this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the Artofspeedd family, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.